Back to it. After Sunday's severe weather, there is a lot of damage in Calhoun County. We've seen this all spring long, all over the Midwest. Along with that damage comes insurance claims. Many of you are going to have to be in touch with your agent and then the adjusters. We want to get down inside that process. Find out how it works. Joining me tonight in the studio is Marcia Veenstra. She is an insurance agent with State Farm. Marcia, thanks for coming in. First of all, we were just chatting. You've already been doing a lot of claims out there. How many have been filed?
We have. As of 12 o'clock today, we were handling over 400 claims. We anticipate once the power's back on through many of the counties that we're going to have many more claims to process and handle.
What happens? I mean, I guess it varies, because I get that disclaimer every year and I open it up and there are about 4 or 5 pages and I fold it back up and I put it in my safe because I don't know. I guess policies vary, but is there kind of a blanket coverage that's covered in a storm like this?
Well, a lot of the claims that we're dealing with right now are wind damage, water issues, trees falling on homes. All of those are typically protected losses depending on the water issues. I recommend honestly that you contact your local State Farm agent first, put your claim in. If you can't reach your agent's office, call 1-800-SF-CLAIMS. That's our claims department. They'll put the claim in for you and explain the coverages to you.
Well, the most important thing is you're talking about, if you're not with State Farm, contact your agent. Talk to the person who sold you the policy, and that's where you're going to get the most direct access.
Absolutely.
Right?
They're the people that can answer your questions.
How long is it going to take to get reimbursed? I mean, there are folks out there that need money yesterday.
Well, obviously, this is a cat loss with this many claims going on throughout the state, and we have had people in the field since this morning handling claims by phone and in the field, and we have reserves coming into State Farm to handle our outside claims. But it can take time, so you need to be patient. If your claim is a serious claim, we're going to handle it immediately and hopefully issue you a check on the spot if you need that. If it's a lesser claim, then please be patient. It may take a few days, possibly a week for someone to contact you, but we're going to handle the more serious claims up front. And if you need money, a check will be issued to you at that point.
And there is going to be a time when somebody is not going to be happy, because you'll move the tree off the house, but you may not move it off the property. Is that true?
Well, that's possible, yes. There's coverage within the contract for different types of claims. Again, the claims adjuster will cover that with you to explain your coverages, at the same time explain your deductible and how the whole process works. What we really hope is that once a claim is filed, that you take the initiative as the policyholder to start handling some of the claim yourself. If there's a tree in your home, call someone, have it removed, take pictures, hang on to any of your receipts, and those bills can be submitted towards your claim so that the claim can be handled quickly.
Is photographic proof enough? If I go out and take pictures and I say, look, this tree is sticking through my living room and I didn't want it there and I took it out, is that enough?
Normally that is, yes. With this many claims, we're not going to question that.
All right, Marcia Veenstra, thank you very much for your time and thanks for the insight.
You're welcome.